How to add brand color in Capcut. I will show you how to add and customize your brand color in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Open your Capcut application. From the home page, tap onto the new project. Select your desired video. Then tap on Add. Now you can see your video on the timeline. To add the brand color, just scroll and tap onto the background. Here you can see the option of color. Tap on it. Choose your desired color and tap on check mark. Now use your both fingers to resize your video. You have to apply brand color to text and elements to match your text or element with the brand color. You can save your color setting or use Capcut favorite feature to quickly apply them later. Once your edits are complete, tap export, choose your resolution and save your video. And that's it. Now you know how to add brand color in Capcut. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have questions or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.